Basic strategies on making money in the stock market. Buying low and selling high is the most common tip for investing in the stock market, but it's more important and complicated than it sounds. Being successful with investments requires patience and determination. Watch this video for some great tips on how to succeed with the stock market, even if you're inexperienced. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. You should compare stock prices to a number of factors in order to truly assess the value of any stock. If you are trying to determine whether or not a stock price is over or undervalued, consider the price to earnings ratio, cash flow and related factors. Also analyze the sector or industry the business is in, as some sectors grow slower than others. Keep in mind that investing is a business, not a hobby. You're doing this to make money, not for fun. Anytime you're doing something regarding your investments, whether it's getting a magazine subscription or investing in a new stock, you need to sit down and ask yourself whether it's going to help you make money, or if you'll lose money from it. Reevaluating your portfolio is something you're going to want to be doing every few months. This is due to the fact that our economy is changing on a constant basis. Companies will merge or go out of business, and some sectors will pull ahead of others. Depending on what year it is, some financial instruments can be a better investment than others. Therefore, it is crucial you keep watch on your portfolio so you can adjust it as needed. Save money by trading online. Search online for firms that offer cheap stock trading. Quite often, their fees are much lower than traditional brokerage firms. A regular broker will usually charge a high commission, just to make a simple stock trade on your behalf. If possible, try to pay between $7 and $10 per trade. Understand when to sell your stocks. People normally have one of two reasons for selling their stocks: they need the cash or it's a market reason. Typically, someone will sell their stocks when the market is extremely favorable, and they stand to make a large profit. On the other hand, it may be a case that their risk tolerance level has been reached. At some point, it's a good idea to go with your gut. Don't hang on to stocks because you think you have to, only to regret that decision later. Prior experience is unnecessary for those who would like to do well, investing in the stock market. Doing some research and familiarizing yourself with certain companies are two of the most important things you can do. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can succeed with the stock market today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.